ये जो पिन के बारे में
तो इसमें एक एक पिन से स्टार्ट करते हैं।
एक एक पिन से
पहला देखेंगे तो इसके अंदर क्या होता है, एक वीसीसी वोल्टेज होता है। अब देखिए वीसीसी क्या होता है, यानी वोल्टेज कलेक्टर टू कलेक्टर।
अच्छा, ये वीसीसी जो है वो क्या ये वाला वोल्टेज है क्या?
जी सर, इसी से कनेक्टेड है, ये इसी से ये भी कनेक्टेड
है। आप देख लीजिए ये यही से ये कनेक्टेड है। करेक्ट। यहाँ पे कितना वोल्टेज होगा?
यहाँ पे आपको जो डायोड से, मान लीजिए सर डायोड से डिपेंड करता है कि आपके लैपटॉप में बैटरी कितना चार्ज है। मान लीजिए 3 वोल्ट आ रहा है, तो जो डायोड से वोल्टेज आ रहा है वही वोल्टेज आ रहा है 3 वोल्ट होगा, आपको मिले।
चलिए ठीक है, ये हो गया क्लियर। फिर अगर ये मिसिंग होगा तो क्या दिक्कत आएगा?
ये मिसिंग होगा सर आपका लैपटॉप सीधा
डेड होगा, ऑन नहीं होगा। और सब कुछ ओके होगा, लेकिन
हमारा ऑन ही नहीं होगा। और सिर्फ चीजें ओके होने से भी कोई फर्क नहीं आपके बोर्ड में। लेकिन हाँ, ऐसा नहीं है कि लोगों को ये लगता है कि हमारे बोर्ड में वोल्टेज सेक्शन सबसे नहीं होगा। वोल्टेज सेक्शन में 19 वोल्ट भी बनेगा, आपका 3-5 भी बनेगा, लेकिन बोर्ड ऑन नहीं।
वही मैं बोल रहा हूं कि ये वोल्टेज बनेगा लेकिन फिर भी बोर्ड ऑन नहीं होगा। ऑन ऑफ स्विच पे सप्लाई आएगा,
बिल्कुल सर,
वो भी आएगा, ये भी आएगा, ऑन ऑफ स्विच पे सप्लाई भी आएगा, फिर भी बोर्ड ऑन नहीं होगा। तो डायरेक्टली आपको क्या चेक कर लेना है यहाँ पे, आरटीसी वीसीसी चेक कर लेना 3 वोल्ट।
क्यों ऑन नहीं होगा वो भी मैं आपको बताऊंगा इस वीडियो में। एंड तक देखिए, तभी आपको समझ में आएगा।
जब तक एंड नहीं देखेंगे तब तक मजा।
Welcome to Pavithra Laptop Care. So, Mr. Rajkumar Kushwa, see, I just requesting you, please stop saying the statement thing regarding this RTC or whatever it may be. Please don't give strong statements because people are following you, right? So they will follow you. What you say, they will feel it's a correct. And one more person also is there. He is also a tutor, but I don't know his name. See, for both of you, really good teacher, I think so. That's why you got 344k subscribers in YouTube. Okay, anyway, just my request. This is the one. So please don't give strong statement. Just you can tell them, no issues. But statement should not be strong. Because I am also one of the viewers of your channel, I think so. Just I saw, so that's why I'm telling you. So I can't accept this one. So that's why I'm making this video. Okay, people, they will think it's a right or wrong, that I don't know, but one practical things I wanted to show you. Okay, as per his statement, here is the diode. Okay, this is the RTC VCC. One voltage will come through this battery cell, RTC cell, right? So to all I'm telling, this is the path of RTC cell. Here is the LDO. Once you press the power buttons, once you put the adapter, then adapter supply will generate this 3 LDO from IO. Sorry, not from IO, step down IC. Okay. So this is the one more path. Means out of 2 paths, any one path will come here and that will become as a RTC VCC. Right. This is right or wrong? This is right. Okay, maybe. Maybe I'm telling, not confirmation. I'm not giving any confirmation. See, there is a way to enter this RTC VCC from this diode. Right. As per his statement, even all tutor statement, this is the only one path. The diode is the only one path to give the RTC VCC. Either it's a cell side or it may be LDO side. Both side if come also, which one is the higher one, that one will get. Is it true? Yes, it's true. Okay, RTC VCC. And one more statement he told, here this RTC will go to this is the RTC VCC to PCH. If this RTC VCC here, it won't present, means this is the source. After this source, RTC VCC, if that RTC VCC is not present, your motherboard will get dead. Okay? This statement I won't accept. Because of that only I am making this video. Even dear PLC students, please observe this video and you check the practical section what I am going to tell. So what the result I will tell you people. Okay? If you ask, definitely I will tell you. See, the statement is simple. If I remove this diode, there will be no supply from cell and from this one LDO section, right? If I remove this, you won't get this RTC and here your motherboard will be dead. Correct? That is the statement here. So practically what I will do, I will take this one is, I will show you just a minute. See, here is a board. This is the RTC cell, and here is the diode Q5001. Actually I removed this diode to show you the truth. Okay, I removed the diode is here somewhere. See, that is the diode. Now there is no RTC VCC, right? Okay, in schematic you can check. This is, what is that? Number is Q6001, right? So here Q6001 is nothing is there, it's empty. Okay, now I will connect the supply. Now I will show you in the multimeter. I will show you in the multimeter voltage what it should be. See, this is the cell. Okay, see the voltage little bit far. I'll keep. See the cell voltage, cell. Okay, this one is cell voltage, and here is the diode section. See, this is one side. Just a minute. Here is the one side is a RTC VCC. See 3.3. This is a RTC cell section, one side. Right, and other side is, once you connect the supply, then only you will get the voltage. Now I removed the diode, because of that the output will be 0, nothing will be there. See, once again I will show you. See the multimeter, there is no voltage, right? So at present there is no voltage. It's a little bit blur, but anyway, see, I am going to show you. Okay, now this board in live, see, now I will connect and I will show you. See the DC. I will connect the keyboard. I connected the keyboard. Okay, here is the monitor. Oh, monitor is there. Okay, I connected the monitor also. See, now I will give the supply. See the supply. See, check the DC. Here the board, the display, how it came. See how it came. Without RTC VCC, I got display in this board, right? See, okay, I will turn it off. See, turned off. Now again I will turn it on. He told it never turn on again, right? See the DC. See, in one click itself it turned on. One click itself it's turned on and I got the display. See how it's possible without RTC VCC. Behind that something is there. Please teach them, teach to all. Please don't give wrong statements. It's a right statement, but strong statement should not give. That is my question. Okay? If I am wrong, definitely I will say excuse to all any viewers of yours, your students or any people, subscribers. But my intention is, please, I am also viewer. So as of viewer part of this thing is there, no viewer part. So I am telling you, please don't give strong statement. Be practical and show them practically and them teach them properly. That's it. Maybe properly, but my intention is proper information has to go. That's it. Okay, our viewers and our students, please think about it. So if you have any doubt, so please message me in Telegram or in comment. So I will give the proper answer to you. Okay. So my intention is you should have proper knowledge regarding this RTC or any other sections. From my side, what are the help you want, so I will teach you. Okay. If I don't know also, I will learn from you. Thank you very much.